Yo, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Greasy Dog 27 back again, and I've got a brand new tutorial today, guys, showing you how to get free BloxBux in Bloxburg. Guys, you're going to be able to get 100,000 free BlockBux, and it is super simple, guys, and this is going to save you a bunch of money. I'm sure you're aware, but look, 25,000 BlockBux costs 6,000 Robux. I'm going to show you how to get 100,000 BlockBux for completely free in the Bloxburg game, and this uses a code working in 2024. So let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get your Bloxburg code. So you need to use your mobile phone. Very important you do it on your mobile. It makes the whole process a lot simpler. And you need to go to this website, guys, www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, guys, spell it correctly, pause the video if you need to, and just copy this down. Now this is of course a codes website. They don't only have Bloxburg codes, they have codes for pretty much anything else you can think of. So I'm going to go to the search bar and search for Bloxburg. It should pop up if your internet's not too slow. There you go, Bloxburg secret codes. So you're just going to want to navigate your way to this page here, guys. Now, they have a few different options on here, such as free money, free tickets, game passes. So you just need to go to this one here that says free BlockBux in Bloxburg, 100,000. So click on show code. Now this code is protected because of course it says here codes left remaining, so they are limited, and of course as I showed you, this is saving you a bunch of money. So these are protected codes, so don't come on robot coupons if you think you're going to get 10 million BlockBux. You can only get 100,000 of these. So tap unlock code. Now I've already got my free BlockBux, so I'm going to cancel this. But basically, when you do that, you're going to see a new page, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your free BlockBux code. It will take about 5 minutes to complete this sort of quick verification, which is things like downloading and playing free games, answering questions and surveys. Just follow the instructions and complete 2 of the tasks that you see. And once you've done that, your code will be revealed. Obviously I skipped that step, but yeah, this code will be revealed, and this is your Bloxburg code that you can enter in game, and it's going to supply you with the 100,000 BlockBux. So that is it, guys. Pretty simple. You just got to go to robot coupons and follow through all of the instructions you've seen in this tutorial. Any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.